Hi, Daisy. Hey, Connie, how are you?
Hi, Michelle.
It's good to see you.
You too.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to do a van tour of your beautiful rig.
Yeah, no problem.
Can you tell us a little bit about it, please?
It's a 2022 Ford Transit Connect passenger van.
Wonderful. We'll start on the inside and then we'll go outside.
Okay.
What have we here?
So there I have my cooler. Right here is my potty. And then this is just a soft-sided laundry bag, and I put my clean clothes and also I put my dirty clothes in there, and I put them in these individual bags.
Oh, okay.
They're like reusable shopping bags, I think.
That's super cute.
So I just stick them in there.
Nice.
This is my clothes. Underwear, socks, shirts, pants, and shorts. And they're usually filled for like a week. And then all this stuff in this cabinet is my kitchen stuff.
Okay.
Coffee, I got one spoon, one fork, one knife. And up here is all basically my cleaning stuff. My hand sanitizer. This is just plain water. And this is vinegar and water.
What do you use the vinegar and water for?
For my dishes.
Nice.
And just general cleaning. And then I have, little trash bags, wet wipes, toilet paper. Yeah, so that's that. Everything you need.
Tell me about this super cute purple and white with the paisley and the polka dots.
So I got this on Marketplace and I didn't paint this was already there, but I painted the sides and the back to match my cabinet.
Nice. Yes.
And I just have like random things, hair stuff, my essential oils. I just have.
You got the fan in front of your face. There we go. There we go.
And I just have, just hair things, and I have, like these stick pins, and I have safety pins in there. I got a measuring tape, just random stuff.
Very cool. Tell us a little bit about your fan.
So I got these on Amazon. It's a light and a fan.
Oh, okay.
So.
Does Amazon not have anything?
Right.
Very cool.
And I've had these for probably like 4 years.
Do you know the wattage on them?
I do not.
Okay. What is this right here?
Oh, this is my damp rid. And because my friend Michelle told me that Ace Hardware had the lavender ones, but I couldn't find them, so I just put essential oils in there. Lavender.
And it smells good. It really does smell good. Not just because I'm doing your tour. It does smell good in here.
Yeah. And then, I'm burning the incense too. And this is my candle.
One more time?
Citronella candle.
Okay.
For, all the mosquitoes.
Yes, yes. Oh, and the incense in the candle.
Yeah.
That's clever.
And then that bag right there on top of my cooler, the soft bag, is where I put all my dry food.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is my little garbage.
That's cute.
Which I really don't use that much, but it's there.
This is a cute detail.
And then,
how'd you do this?
So the passenger van came with second row seats. So I take them out when I travel in the wintertime, in the summer, spring, summer, fall. I have them in because I have 2 grandkids that I spend a lot of time with when I'm home in Minnesota.
Aww.
And when I bought the van, there was a cage here. One of those cargo cages.
Yeah.
So there's holes up here.
Oh,
so I just
okay.
put the scarf up here to,
That's fun.
to hide it.
That's fun.
And then I got my little fairy lights.
Oh, a beach lover lives here.
Yeah. I got that when I actually lived in Florida.
Cute.
And then this entertainment center thing I got off Facebook Marketplace, and it was a little too wide, so I had somebody cut it. So I don't know how long it'll last, but I just have random things. I put mostly all my wires and connectors in this bag. Down below is like all my cleaning stuff. The one next to it that's closed is all my medication and my crafts. And then the far one is just random things I don't really use that much.
Tell us about your sleeping arrangement. Actually, we'll switch and have you go
Okay.
to the back. Tell us about your sleeping arrangement.
Okay, so, well, this right here, I usually don't. This is usually when I'm traveling, it's up front for Daisy, my dog. So I just put it in here. It's just a place to sit. It's a little softer than the ground. So this is a trifold mattress. It's a 4-inch trifold mattress.
Okay.
And so during the day, you know, just it gives me way more room, floor space. And then at night, I take it out and that's it.
Okay.
And then in the morning, I put it back. I mean, it is a little difficult, I'm not gonna lie, because the space is so small, but it's worth it because I have the floor space.
Yes.
Where in
yes.
this little van, I mean, that's a lot of floor space.
It is. Every little inch makes a difference.
Right?
And you have a nice, comfortable pillow that you're leaning on. So
Yep.
when you're sitting in here,
Yep.
you have a comfortable space.
And honestly, mostly Daisy's up here.
We're outside with Connie, and she's going to tell us a little bit about her window covers.
Okay, so they're just reflective. And they're just black material
Okay.
that faces out, and then contact paper.
Contact paper.
Yeah.
Okay, that's clever, and it matches your van. Very nice.
Yeah. Super easy. Well, not super easy.
Easy enough?
Easy enough.
Okay.
Yeah. This is just netting that I bought off of Amazon. And I just cut it, you know, to size.
Nice.
And then I have these magnets, also Amazon, that I just put a hole in it and put it up there.
And it's easy peasy, and it's doesn't take up much space to store.
Yeah.
Very good. Alrighty, I'm going to take an outside video. Daisy's just chilling. She's such a sweet girl. Connie, tell me about that clever storage you have under here and how you took out your seats.
So I had the seats taken out, and then my son-in-law built that platform.
That's nice. And look at all that space down there that's unused.
Well, I do put my extension cord in there, and then I put this outdoor rug, and that's about it.
Cool.
This is my 4th summer out, so every year I take less and less.
Okay, so we're going to have a part 2 with you and Miss Daisy about how you travel and what you do and all those things.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Aw, bye, sweet Daisy.